So time to get excited because Scalenut, the AI writer, has now got a Google Chrome extension. And this video is all about the uses for it. And what's quite funny is I didn't know it had been around since the summer. So when I saw this, let's just jump into Scalenut now. When I saw this on my Scalenut account the other day, I'm scrolling through and I saw the Google Chrome extension and I got really excited because that's the first time it's actually appeared within the Scalenut dashboard. And I made a video of it going, wow, this could be a game changer. Only for a couple of comments in the video saying it's been around since August. But I'm guessing that Scalenut have been using it, testing it, and now they're really happy with it, that they're starting to push it out so that every user can use it. Of course, in the description of this video, you will find the link so you can try out Scalenut free for 7 days with a 35,000 word trial, and you'll get a discount when you decide to join, if you decide to join. So let's have a quick look at it. Just quickly how you download it. I've already downloaded it, but once you do that, it takes you to the Google Chrome store. There's already 3,000 plus users. I'm a bit behind time here, and it's getting good reviews. But once you click install, it will install up there, and when you click on it, it will ask you for just your Scalenut password and username. So even if you're on the trial, I think you can test the extension. And let's go through just a few of the uses, but I think when you see this, you're going to see that there's a lot of uses for this, and it's very, very versatile. So use number one, let's go to email. And here is an email, and you want to send out emails to people, and you want them to be, unique. Scalenut and all AI writers are only as good as the input you put in, but I found Scalenut to be just that little bit up there. I'm not going to say it's the best of the best. I'm going to say that for the money, I think it's the one for me. Okay. And you can see that it does quite a lot. When you click on the little Scalenut icon, I'll just show you that. It only shows you once you highlight a certain number of words. If I only highlighted that many of words, Scalenut wouldn't work because you've got to select text between 20 and 700 characters to activate the extension. So there we go. Because you've got to give these AI writers something, or they don't work. So what's it got? I could simplify that text. I could complete the sentence. I could command it to do something. We'll talk about that in a bit. Rephrase. But what I'm going to use is one of the templates. And again, just let's have a quick look through. We'll use some of these soon. And the beauty of this is, of course, you can do all these things within Scalenut. But imagine the time saver here. That you can go straight to an email, straight to a post, and straight away start creating your content. So we're going to try and write a nice email. So we click nice email, just one click. Scalenut does its stuff. I hope this message finds you well. Let's insert that now. So here we go. Insert. And straight away, I've got a collaboration email. Let's delete that and try again. These are, as I always say, only as good as the input you put in. They reckon that AI writers save about 80% of the time. When you're happy with one, you can just keep on regenerating these until you find one you're happy with. Find one that suits you and whatever you try. My name is... So there you go. Graphic design. Yes. Generate again. Find one that you like. There we go. That's perfect. Insert it. So I'm emailing someone. I want to collaborate on a project. I want them to do a bit of it and me to do a bit of it. So it's created the email. I don't know anyone actually called Steve. Well, I do know loads of Steves. And then you can just change it. Make it fit with the person you're actually emailing. These are... As I get older, I have more and more brain block days where my brain just doesn't seem to work and I can't think what to... This is what I find AI writers are perfect for, just to get me going on something. And then, or I'll start it, get a few words down, the AI writer can write the gist, and then I can finish it and correct it. So there's one use. How cool would that be? I mean, especially maybe if you're bulk emailing people or you're sending a lot of emails and, the way it's going with the world and automation and robots, you could even automate sending robots emails to people. I'm not condoning it, but yeah, one possible use. There you go. Let's go over to Facebook. Here we go. Right, so fill review software. Interesting news today about AI writing software. And I highlight it. Click on the little Scalenut button. You're getting it now, aren't you? describe product, agenda, event, and come up with some amazing post ideas, social media post. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, it hasn't. Let's try that again. I always think, is it going to do it? If you have a little fail, there you go. I always think that I should leave the, I could have edited that out, but I'll leave it in if things don't work when you're reviewing software. So, to be the most useful, artificial software has to make a record of all its errors. A new tool called, so that's interesting. Generate again. I've been a bit lazy here. I've not included a brand new captions for your image or video. So, create a post using AI. And then once you've done that in Scalenut, so interesting news, the most useful safer has to make a record of its errors. So with this new tool called AS Safety Engineer, you can safely improve your... So there you go, AS Safety Engineer. If I want to complete that sentence now, so highlight it. Click Scalenut again. Complete the article. Click Complete. Maybe not complete. What can we do? We can command it. Command. Brilliant. It's taken that and it's given me more details about the AS safety. Now, all right, quite a boring topic, but if I'm just posting away on my Facebook and I had a more interesting topic, you can imagine that it would create a more interesting post. But I just want to show you this video, just show you the potential. Let's go on to YouTube. Okay, here's my channel. I've just done a review of Luna, which is more AI, but that's actually AI in emails. So we've kind of just done it. And I'm going to show you, I'm showing how Luna can send personalized emails. So again, click on the Scalenut. And let's try and rephrase this. All right, so maybe I've borrowed this phrase from somebody else. I don't actually do stuff like that, but it might be that you're writing a description and you're feeling very lazy and you want to borrow. So let's rephrase that. So we've not directly copied someone. And insert that. Let's see the difference between the two. So, through AI, I'm demonstrating how Luna may create personalized emails that are warmer and more likely. Just say, wow. That is great. Delete that. I'm not messing with this. It's actually the one I've already got. What else could we do? Let's highlight Luna again. And we could... Templates. What could we do? Engaging questions. Ooh. What's amazing with this? Insert. What I'm finding amazing there, I know it's pasted it there, but I'm not worried about that, is that I've used some... That is what Luna does. Do people seem to respond better to Luna's messages than mail sent by a human? So what Luna does, and I've just done a review video, it kind of scrapes email addresses that you've got in your inbox, or you might get email addresses from, say, LinkedIn, scrape them, and then it will find out about the company and the person and create a personalized email. Another pretty amazing tool. But that question that Scalenut has just created, that is exactly what Luna does. It creates, when you get emails, I don't want to go into this because this video is not about Luna, but when you get emails, and we probably do this every day without realizing, you get an email and straight away you kind of sense whether it's a real email that someone's actually spent the time writing to you, or it's just a salesy generated email from a computer. And generally speaking, you can suss it out straight away, can't you? And sometimes people are very clever and they put RE at the start of it, as if they're replying to you. But yeah, that's what Luna does. So that is incredible. Let's just show you one more thing in this video. Quora. Now, this is something... Quora obviously is a site where people ask questions and then people answer them. Now, you might answer questions on here and be helpful, and you might, include the product you're selling within the answer, and it can be used as a marketing platform. But say I want to answer a question on Quora. Let's find a question I could answer. And I wanted to answer a few questions every day. Is 2 hours sleep enough for a day? Answer. Hang on, I don't want to answer that. I want to answer this one. Is 2 hours sleep enough for a day? Highlight that. Is it going to work? Not sure. Hang on, let's just make sure. Let's check. This is good. This is happening now. Enable on this website. Yes. So, 2 hours sleep is not enough. I'm not sure if this is going to work for an average adult. Let's highlight it. See if Scalenut kicks. Yes. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to answer the question. I'm a terrible sleeper. I've advised myself. I'm going to post that up there on Quora. I mean, there you go. With a bit of advice, post. So, I've not got any. I've not got any credentials. But there you go. So you can see that if I wanted to, if I wanted to sort of concentrate on, answering questions about software, I could get on there, answer questions, and include links to my videos. If you want to find out more about this software, here's my link to the review I did of this video on YouTube. It would help grow my YouTube channel and drive people. So, wow, another excited. And I think I'm going to have more of a play with this, but you can just see that this could be a game changer now. I have got the unlimited words with Scalenut, so I'm never going to run out of words. I could answer these all day long and never run out of words. And I hesitate to say it, but, I'm interested in exploring ways I can automate tasks. I'm talking about things like Zapier. I never know how to pronounce it. To automate tasks, you could set off with Scalenut. And how many of these could you enter and answer automatically every day? Possibly not with my real name, but, exciting times with AI. Right, let's jump out. So, yeah, I think that is a bit of a game changer with Scalenut. It's also got another plugin add-on where you can post straight to your blog. So within Scalenut, you can write your blog. They've got a 5-minute blog creator, and you can post that straight to your WordPress website. So, yeah, wow. Quite impressed with that. I'll have a play and make a few more videos. Tell me what you think. Give us a few more ideas of how you could use that Scalenut Google Chrome extension. And if you think it's good, and what about the quality of the writing? I've got to say that if you give it good input, the output from Scalenut is superb. So, yeah, comment below. Don't forget, if you want to try it out, free for 7 days. There's a link in the description. I think you get 35,000 days. 35,000 days? Nah, 35,000 words during your 7 days. So 5,000 words a day to give it a good try. And tell me what you think. Cheers, everyone.